Ever feel like the noise of the world is just too loud? What if I told you that within you lies a quiet space waiting to be discovered? Welcome to our journey into meditation, where we're going to introduce you to 5 simple techniques that anyone can try, anytime, anywhere. These aren't just practices. They're keys to unlocking a state of calm, clarity, and joy you may not have known was possible. From the gentle focus on your breath to the harmonious sounds that can soothe your soul, these techniques are your first steps toward a more peaceful life. Dive in with us and let's make curiosity and tranquility your new best friends. Meditation, a deeper dive into inner peace and clarity. Meditation is an ancient practice with deep roots in various cultures, particularly within the Buddhist and Hindu traditions. Initially devised as a method to calm the mind and deepen awareness, its ultimate aim is to reach a state of deep inner peace, sometimes described as enlightenment. In contemporary times, the practice of meditation has transcended cultural and spiritual boundaries, becoming a global tool for reducing stress, enhancing concentration, fostering emotional balance, and promoting an overall sense of well-being. Let's explore 5 accessible meditation techniques in more detail, allowing you to weave moments of peace and mindfulness into the fabric of your daily life. 1. Mindfulness. Breathing. Breathe deeply, live fully. Mindfulness breathing is a foundational meditation practice, perfect for beginners and seasoned practitioners alike. To start, find a quiet, comfortable space where interruptions are unlikely. Sit with your back straight yet relaxed, or lie down in a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes, turning your focus inward. Bring your full attention to your breath, noticing the sensation of air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. As thoughts enter your mind, observe them without judgment and return your focus to your breath. Try to extend the duration of each inhalation and exhalation naturally, creating a steady, rhythmic pattern. Beginning with just 5 minutes a day can significantly impact your mental clarity and stress levels. 2. Walking meditation. Steps towards mindfulness. Walking meditation is a dynamic form of meditation that integrates mindfulness into movement, making it an excellent option for those who find stillness challenging. Select a quiet path where you can walk back and forth without obstacles. Begin by standing still, taking a moment to notice the weight of your body on your feet and the sensations of standing. Start walking slowly, focusing intently on the act of walking. Observe the lift of your foot, the move through the air, and the sensation as your foot makes contact with the ground. Allow your breath to find a natural rhythm with your steps. When you reach the end of your path, pause for a moment to breathe, then turn and continue walking. This practice not only cultivates mindfulness, but also brings a sense of grounding and tranquility to your day. 3. Gratitude. Meditation. Cultivating a thankful heart. Gratitude meditation is a powerful technique for shifting focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of abundance and happiness. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position and closing your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, think of 3 things in your life for which you feel genuinely grateful. These can range from significant relationships or achievements to simple pleasures like a warm cup of coffee in the morning. For each item, visualize it in your mind's eye. Immerse yourself in the feeling of gratitude, and perhaps even silently express your thanks. This practice can dramatically alter your perspective, leading to increased feelings of contentment and joy. 4. Visual meditation. Imaging peace. Visual meditation leverages the mind's ability to visualize scenarios, places, or objects to induce a state of calm. Close your eyes and imagine a place that represents tranquility and safety to you. This could be a serene beach, a lush forest, or even a cozy room. Focus on building this scene in your mind, paying attention to details such as colors, sounds, and sensations associated with this place. The more vividly you can imagine your peaceful place, the more you'll find your body and mind responding as if you're truly there, allowing you to escape momentarily from the stresses of everyday life and find a sense of inner peace. 5. Sound meditation, harmonizing body and mind. Sound meditation uses auditory stimuli to focus the mind and promote relaxation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and immerse yourself in calming sounds. These can be recordings of nature sounds such as rain or ocean waves, soothing instrumental music, or even the ambient hum of your environment. Listen to the nuances in the sounds, how they rise and fall, and how they make you feel. Allow yourself to become fully absorbed in the listening experience, letting the sounds wash over you and carry away stress and tension. Expanding. Understanding of meditation. Meditation is more than just a series of practices. It's a journey towards self-discovery, inner peace, and heightened awareness. By integrating these techniques into your daily routine, you create a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos of everyday life. Whether through focused breathing, mindful movement, cultivating gratitude, visualizing tranquility, or harmonizing with sound, meditation offers a path to a more mindful, serene, and balanced life. Remember, the journey of meditation is one of patience and persistence. Each step, each breath, and each moment of mindfulness brings you closer to the peace and clarity you seek. Love the video? Smash that like button to show some love. Craving more awesome content? Hit subscribe and join the family. Don't miss out on any of our captivating videos.